everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you through the process of creating UDP servers for HTTP custom, socksip tunnel, and zVPN. We'll also go step by step through setting up each of these VPNs. Whether you're new to this or just looking for a refresher, I've got you covered. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it helpful. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser and head to the search bar. Type in UDP Custom and tap on the first search result to go to the website's homepage. On the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button at the top of the page. Click on it and select the UDP Premium option from the list. This will open a submenu with additional choices. We will focus on creating servers for UDP Custom, UDP Request, and zVPN. Tap on each option one by one to initiate the server creation process. Step 2. Select the UDP Custom option and you'll be prompted to choose a server location. Pick a location that suits your needs. Considering factors like speed and accessibility, enter a username and password of your choice. Then click on the Create button to finalize the server setup. Once the server is successfully created, you'll receive the server details, such as the IP address, username, and password. Copy these details accurately. Download the HTTP Custom app from the Play Store if you haven't already. Launch the app and check the UDP Custom box. Enter the server details you just created into the designated fields within the app to complete the setup. Step 3. Return to the UDP Custom website and select the UDP Request Server option from the menu. Choose a server location and enter your chosen username and password to create your server. Copy the server details provided. Download the socksip Tunnel VPN app from the Play Store. Launch it and navigate to the settings. Select the UDP Request Tunnel mode and enter the server details into the appropriate fields. Head back to the UDP Custom website and select the zVPN UDP server option from the menu. Choose your preferred server location.
And then create the server by entering a username and password.
Copy the server details provided. Download the zVPN app from the Play Store. Launch it and check the UDP box. Access the settings by clicking on the 3 lines at the top. Then select UDP settings and input the server details. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully created UDP servers and set up HTTP Custom, socksip Tunnel, and zVPN VPNs. You can now enjoy secure and fast internet access with any of these VPNs, whichever suits your needs best. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Like the video if you found it useful and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out my blog for more detailed written tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.